Have you ever dreamed of creating mesmerizing animations in the iconic 2D and 3D styles of Pixar and Disney? Or turning your imaginative ideas into captivating stories? If your answer is yes, you are in the right place. Welcome to this exciting tutorial, where you will discover groundbreaking AI tools that transform your simple text into stunning animated videos. Let's dive in and unleash the creative genius within you. The foundation of every great animation is a powerful and engaging story. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude to narrate a powerful and engaging story. These tools will use the template's guidelines to craft a personalized, impactful story for your animation. For this tutorial, I am using ChatGPT. By providing it with your inputs, including a well-defined character description, ChatGPT can generate an entire story tailored to your requirements, complete with prompts for image creation and narration text. For example, I have already defined the character's appearance in my prompt. Now, I simply copy the first image prompt generated by ChatGPT to start creating visuals for the story. To create these images, I recommend using an AI image generator like Pixar, Disney, Midjourney, or my personal favorite, Leonardo. With these tools, you can effortlessly transform your story into stunning visuals that bring your ideas to life. Leonardo stands out because it offers generous free credits and is one of the most powerful image generators available today. Let's move on to generating visuals using the Leonardo AI image generator. Visit the Leonardo AI website, sign up for a free account, and log in. From the left-hand menu, click on the image creation option. In the Leonardo dashboard, you will find a prompt box at the top of the page. I right-click and paste the first image prompt, which I copied from ChatGPT, into this box. From the preset drop-down menu on the left panel, select the Phoenix 1.0 model, Leonardo's latest image generation tool. In the Prompt Enhance drop-down, choose Off to maintain control over the output. Under the Preset Style section, select Dynamic for a vibrant and engaging look. Set the generation mode to Fast for quicker results. For image dimensions, choose a 16:9 ratio for a horizontal, long format suitable for YouTube videos. Select Medium for image size to balance quality and speed. Set the number of images generated to 4 for variety in each step. Once all settings are configured, click Generate. Your request will be queued, and within moments, 4 thumbnails will appear. Click on a thumbnail to review the generated images. If the results aren't as expected, tweak the settings and regenerate until you are satisfied. With the first image ready, let's dive into the process of downloading it and ensuring consistency for the remaining scenes. Once you have reviewed the thumbnails and selected the image you are satisfied with, click the Download button below the image frame. This image will serve as the starting point of your animated story. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for the second scene, and paste the prompt into Leonardo's prompt box, and keep all the settings the same as before. Click Generate. After a few seconds, 4 thumbnails will appear. Click on a thumbnail to review the images. If you are not satisfied with the results, repeat the generation process by clicking Generate again. Leonardo typically improves with additional attempts. Once you find an image that meets your expectations, download it as before. To maintain consistency in your character's appearance across multiple scenes, follow these steps. Once you're satisfied with the image, click on the 3-dot icon at the top right corner of the selected image. Choose Copy Seed to save the seed number used for generating the image. Go to Advanced Settings in the side menu. Enable the Use Fixed Seed option and paste the copied seed number into the corresponding box. This ensures that your character's form remains consistent across all images. Repeat for the third scene. Return to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for the third scene, and paste it into Leonardo. Without changing the previous settings, other than enabling the fixed seed, click Generate. Review the new thumbnails and download the image you like best. Keeping the fixed seed option enabled will not only preserve your character's form, but also save you time in ensuring visual continuity throughout your animation. With these steps, you can seamlessly create a series of visually consistent and stunning images for your animated story. Let's move on to crafting the next scenes. To finish your animated story, repeat the process for the remaining scenes. Leonardo AI offers 150 free tokens daily, which should be sufficient for most users. These tokens are replenished every 24 hours. If you find that 150 tokens are not enough, you can consider affordable paid plans for additional tokens, ensuring uninterrupted work on your project. Now that you have your images from Leonardo AI, it's time to bring them to life as videos and animations using Minimax AI. To start creating realistic videos with Minimax, head over to halui.video. First, you will need to create a free account. Just click the Sign In button at the top right of the site. Right now, the only option available is to sign up with email, so simply click Continue with Google to set up your account. Once you are in, enjoy unlimited video generation for the first 3 days. After that, with the free plan, you will still receive bonus credits every day to keep creating. Now, when you are on the site, click on the Create button from the left menu. Select Image to Video. To upload images, there's an option to upload your own images in JPEG or PNG format. Once the image is uploaded, enter the prompt and then hit the Create button. Depending on how many people are in the queue, video generation can take anywhere from 1 to 10 minutes. After a short while, image is transformed into a video and a thumbnail appears. Click on it to watch the video in a larger size. Download the video to your device. However, note that videos in the free account have watermarks. To download watermark-free videos, you need to purchase the premium plan. If you are not happy with the generated video, test and adjust the settings several times. With multiple attempts, you will surely achieve an excellent video generation. This process needs to be repeated for all images. After creating the story and converting the images into videos and animations, the story must be narrated by a voice actor. Now we need a narrator's voice. You can record the story text yourself using a professional microphone. But if you don't have the resources, don't worry. There's another option using AI-generated voices. You can use AI that offers text-to-speech features like 11 Labs. Search for the 11 Labs AI website on Google and visit it. 11 Labs AI offers a text-to-speech feature that allows your text to be read by various narrators. Creating an account on this website is free. You can log in using methods like entering your email or using a Google account. I return to ChatGPT, copy all the voiceover sections, and paste them into the text-to-speech section of the 11 Labs AI website. From the right panel in the drop-down list Voice, you can change the narrator's voice. Listen to various voices and choose the one most suitable for your story. Then click on the Generate Speech button and the work is done. Next to the Generate Speech button, there is a download button to get the narrator's audio file. Now that your story animations and narration are ready, it's time to combine them into a full-length video. We need to combine them to create a long video, and based on our story, make a full-length animation. You can edit using video creator tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Filmora, CapCut, or free tools like Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't wait. Hit the like button and share it with your friends. We have poured our hearts into making this for you, and now it's your turn to show some love. This is just the beginning. A treasure trove of exclusive AI tutorials is coming your way. To stay ahead in this fast-changing AI revolution, subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a single update.